Hi, I'm Scott from Team McKinley. Today I'm going to show you how you can predict a storm and where the best place is to look for shelter. If the moon has a bright halo, the bees stop collecting nectar in the middle of the day, or the smoke of the campfire won't rise, it means that rain is coming. So it's time to put up the tent in a safe spot. When doing this, you should bear in mind that trees provide shelter. But avoid single trees, as they might attract lightning. Check your campsite for possible hazards, such as dead trees or branches that could break and fall onto your tent, or falling rocks. Please be considerate of all vegetation and don't destroy any habitats. If you stick to these simple rules, there's no need to worry about rain or lightning. Have fun in the great outdoors. Until next time.